All right, friends, it's time for Sawdust Smarts. Are you ready to have your woodworking wits tested? Let's find out if your woodworking knowledge is as sharp as your chisels. I'm going to read from 6 categories. I'll tell you what they are in just a minute. And similar to a game show that you might have seen, we're going to have 5 questions per category, starting with a point value of 100, then 200, 300, 400, and 500. Final question will be good for 1,000 points. So pause the video here, grab yourself a pen and paper or your phone, open up some notes, and be prepared to keep score, and let's see how sharp you are. Here we go. Our categories for today's game are tools of the trade, types of wood, joinery genius, shop safety, wood science, sawdust trivia. All right, ready to play? Here we go, starting with our first category. Tools of the trade for 100. This stationary tool's spinning blade is the heart of most wood shops.
What is a table saw?
Tools of the trade for 200. This stationary tool uses a thin vertical blade to cut curves and irregular shapes.
What is a bandsaw?
Tools of the trade 300. This hand tool smooths and flattens boards by shaving off thin layers.
What is a hand plane?
Tools of the trade for 400. This type of hand plane is used to cut a relief along the edge of a board.
What is a rabbiting plane or rebate plane?
Tools of the trade for 500. This adjustable measuring tool checks inside angles and helps mark consistent dovetails.
What is a bevel gauge?
Next category. Types of wood for 100. This softwood smells great and naturally repels moths and other insects.
What is cedar?
Types of wood for 200. This tropical hardwood starts out purple, but turns brown with time and exposure to light.
What is purple heart?
Types of wood for 300. This North American hardwood is prized for its curly or bird's eye grain.
What is maple?
Types of wood for 400. This dense hardwood from Africa is often used for piano keys and fine handles.
What is ebony?
Types of wood for 500. This North American hardwood fluoresces under UV light.
What is Osage orange?
Joinery genius for 100. This classic joint uses interlocking pins and tails.
What is a dovetail joint?
Joinery genius for 200. This strong joint is achieved by placing a protruding section into a hollow space.
What is a mortise and tenon joint?
Joinery genius for 300. This joint is made when two boards are joined end to end or edge to edge.
What is a butt joint?
Joinery genius for 400. This type of joint combines square fingers instead of tails.
What is a box or finger joint?
Joinery genius for 500. This joint is used to join two pieces of wood end to end to make a longer piece.
What is a scarf or splice joint?
Shop safety for 100. These should always be worn to protect your eyes while woodworking.
What are impact-resistant safety glasses?
Shop safety for 200. You should never position your body directly behind this table saw part.
What is the blade?
Shop safety for 300. Always feed wood into a router in this direction.
What is against the bit rotation?
Shop safety for 400. Before working on power tools, you should always do this.
What is unplug or disconnect the tool?
Shop safety for 500. Respirators with the N95 rating filter 95% of this particle size.
What is 0.3 microns?
Next category, wood science for 100. Wood expands and contracts mostly in this direction.
What is across the grain?
Wood science for 200. The relative hardness of a wood is determined with this scale.
What is the Janka hardness scale?
Wood science for 300. Wood stabilizes when its moisture content equals the air's humidity. This is referred to as
What is equilibrium moisture content, or EMC?
wood science for 400. Fungal and bacterial coloration in wood create this attractive pattern.
What is spalting?
Wood science for 500. This term describes the optical effect that causes curly maple to shimmer.
What is chatoyance?
Next category. Sawdust trivia for 100. Ancient Egyptians made furniture using tools made from this metal.
What is bronze?
Sawdust trivia for 200. This traditional glue is made from boiling animal hides.
What is hide glue?
Sawdust trivia for 300. The first power tool designed for home shops appeared under this brand in 1921.
What is skill saw?
Sawdust trivia for 400. Before the invention of sandpaper, this was glued to cloth or parchment for smoothing.
What is shark skin or dogfish skin?
Sawdust trivia for 500. The measurement system for lumber thickness, 4/4, 6/4, etc., originated from this unit of measure.
What is the 1/4-inch board foot system from sawmill quarters?
Final question, 1,000 points. Early 20th century carpenters called this hand tool accessory the poor man's jointer.
What is a shooting board?
All right, there we go. That's 6 categories, 5 questions per category, 30 questions, plus the bonus question, good for 1,000 points. How'd you do? So tally up your score, drop us a comment, let us know if you found this fun, interesting, and if you learned something, let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to play another game like this, let me know that as well. This was a lot of fun to make, and I'd look forward to making another one. So till next time, friends, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.